So we're about to check out. So we're about to check out the goat farm here in Atlanta. I'm calling myself trying to explore the city I live in more so, or do a better job than what I'm doing, because right now, when family and stuff comes here, I know nothing to take them to. So we're trying to, fix that. But you guys, look, I'm clean. I'm nice. It was time. I was feeling bad. Excuse me. But yeah, so we're gonna do that, and it's raining, so it's gonna be a little kind of wet on this trip, because I done drove 40 miles to get here, and the weather said it wasn't supposed to rain till 8. It is now 5, so yeah. So I'm apologizing to my poor shoes now because they're a little light and it's raining. They want me to be great. So, yeah. Look who's here, guys. Hey, what up, y'all?
What?
Okay. That's good to know, though.
Okay, so he's a little funny.
This hibiscus tea thing is really good once you add some sugar to it. It's a blessing, I'm telling you.
I like to play like I'm stupid.
Come on. I mean, it's.
So she was saying the history of this place.
It's slippery.
Okay. She was saying it used to be a cotton gin.
Yep.
And that some of the metal artillery that we see on the property is actual cotton metal type stuff. But during both the First World War and the Second World War, they shut it down as a cotton gin and made it a artillery ammunition type factory to make like guns and stuff. Yeah. So isn't that crazy?
Oh, so with that noise, I was like, oh shit, I'm falling, but I'm falling real slow. And it's gonna happen. I'm gonna hit the ground. I wish I was scared.
Look at the noises. You gotta wait, just look. Close to the picture. Look. Fall graciously.
You just over there.
Yeah, he was sweet though, wasn't he? He wasn't
Was
like,
he?
Yeah, he was sweet. He was cute because he took it and he was like, I was like, oh.
She said they were used to.
Like,
I don't know that he knows his name is Llama.
I was like,
Oh, that did not look right. It was like, I just ain't got your hand.
Would you be down for Jamaican?
I'm down for Jamaican. You want mangoes?
I would be down for Jamaican. You guys eat Jamaican food?
Yeah, we've never had mangoes though.
Oh, mangoes.
Mangoes was
bomb. Like
and it's
Mango's
like
blessing.
it's Negril Village quality.
Okay.
At I want to save my money.
Half the price. And it's
My kind of spot.
Right.
My kind of spot.
Now the service ain't 100.
and she got an
That's
attitude.
right.
Lit-
Good.
But today, this little thing was good.
Yeah.
Shout out to great company.
Can we get Amelia in the shot?
Amelia, it needs to come over. You see me, I'm trying to
But
get
I don't wanna
y'all.
block you.
But you not.
Amelia, we got some good dewy skin. You wore foundation today?
No.
Oh, geez.
And my skin's doing too.
Look, right.
Well, I just saw Amelia with
Jill
the
and I
camera.
are sitting as well. Catch
Amelia
this
was close
contour.
to the camera, so that's what I noticed it. I can't see you in the camera.
What I will do is represent my dark and lovelies.
Oh, stop. Because I think I'm a dark and lovely. Don't start with me.
I feel like we were in a space with a lot of creatives, and anytime you're in a space with a lot of creatives, I just think that they force your mind to go somewhere else.
Mm-hmm.
And it was just really dope shots, cool, spending time with, the fam and making sure that, we get our quality time in. Danielle, you next.
Danielle,
And we're debriefing the day as to the experience we had.
for right now, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So I'm not really the same as Jill. This was a lot for me. Like, it's real naturey, like it's real natural out here. And I wore open shoes, so it wasn't the same experience. It was interesting though. It was something new to look at. That's about it. I spoke, do it.
It was cool.
I do.
Right, hey, Allie, score. No, I thoroughly, look at this light, y'all. I've been finding all these good little angles as of late. I've just been feeling it.
Right.
Check out that skincare routine video, minus this. This came from, because I've been on my soda, Crown, and Coke real
I
heavy
just use
these
cocoa
days.
butter on my face. I'm just gonna stop right there.
Now I'm gonna ask y'all. Now you can answer in this little box that's gonna show up in one of these corners. Did I ask her what she used on her face?
Her pores are probably so clogged with that thick cocoa butter.
Like, what?
I can't see myself. Okay.
Jill, you need to vlog then, boo boo. Anywho, I enjoyed today. It was exactly what I expected, but wet. I'm glad I experienced this with the group that I did because
We're amazing.
I didn't go touch those goats because y'all know me and animals don't get along. I didn't even know it was goats here. That goes to show you what I researched. Background shots, get some new stuff, and making sure this one has.
And we have some dope ones. You got some good shots, Shayon. You got some dope, like.
Well, it's never really for me. I didn't really come out here more so for me. I came out here for Emmy Styles to kind of, because that page hasn't been that active. You know what I'm saying?
But progress is a thing to success. You know what I'm saying? Nothing happens overnight, Amelia. So
Thank you.
hallelujah. Well,
I felt
And Amelia's gonna be
all
styling
the way
me.
back here.
for my corporate look.
Very soon.
And I'm
Well, who
5'9".
can style me? If they're handing out styling.
Anywho, y'all feeling this shirt? Like, look at this shirt.
And who picked out the shirt?
Damn, she don't even give me a time to.
Oh, go ahead.
I'm gonna start charging her ass for this free publicity because.
Well, the way you just did her about her blog.
Thank you.
Like I said what I said.
You not gonna talk about the shirt? I picked it up. Okay, so we're all hungry, so let's go. You know what
So we got this shirt.
We
didn't get this shirt.
You were standing there.
Okay, so
And I picked it up.
so
instead.
we got this shirt because we stood in line and through thrifting. So we're off to Mangoes.
Yeah.
We're trying all the little Atlanta spots today. Look at us. Check me out, nigga. I know what's on my porch now. Hi. Come visit me now, Mom. the artist? Is it various artists?
Very artists across the state. And they're all
For sale. Atlanta? No. This is really cool.
This is like a best step.
Like the 18. Don't look like you wouldn't feel it. Like. Feel it.
You gotta feel that music.
Another restaurant trial here in Atlanta. We're gonna try Mango's Caribbean restaurant. Back here. Back here. $4 rum punch. Smells good. Damn.
Everybody check that.
Y'all excited? 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 Excited?
Oh, this might be a wait.
It's okay.
So we wait for about an hour.
So we've been waiting for an hour to try this place out. Already not starting off good because one, service is subpar. People is rude, and I'm trying my best to like not embarrass my friends right now and show my black ass. But can you believe I was not recording that whole video? So we waited an hour and a half, almost. Nah, I'm not gonna say 2 hours because I would be disappointed in my damn self if I'm sitting here for 2 hours and still ain't get my food. So, hour and a half max. Don't laugh. But, so it's finally here. It smells good. I got the brown stew chicken with rice and peas. And then you got the saltfish.
I drank out of your drink then.
No, this you.
Oh.
That little rum punch is pretty good.